Kiss my ass.
Hefur verið einhver svona gæi sem var eitthvað svona skurðameistari ríkisins?
Subaru 1800 Coupe with added EK20.
Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stacked that he knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't get better. Lose itself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go.
What the hell? What's wrong with you?
You're asking the front wheels to deal with the steering and 240 rampaging stallions. And you know what? They can't.